Hello viewers, welcome to my new video of Technocares. In this video, we are gonna see about pen tool, stamp tool and lines tool. So by seeing the name, we can understand that from pen tool, we can draw on the canvas. Now what is canvas? Canvas means the area on which we can draw, paint, color, add effects and much more. To draw on canvas, we have to just click and drag. We can also draw in different colors. Here in the option bar we can see the thinness and the thickness of our brush. Like here I had chosen this much thinness, so I will get that much thickness only with my brush. If I choose this much thickness, then I get that much thickness only with my brush. Then there is a blur brush option also, from which we can draw blur like this. Then after thinness and thickness, we have many options presented here. Like this is the option of heart. I can choose red color and I can draw a heart in any color. If I want a 3D ball, so I can also choose it like this. We have to just click and it gets inserted in our canvas or drawings. Then this is the leaves option. By this we get leaves in our drawings. Other than these options, there are many options in the option bar that I haven't shown you right now, but you can try them. Now let's go to our second tool, that is stamp tool. From stamp tool, we can insert stamps in our drawings. Here are some penguin narrator stamp. Other than these stamps, there are many stamps available while you download TuxPaint, like vehicles, items, flowers, and much more. We can get the ready-made stamp of the stamp which we had selected to see that after inserting the stamp in our canvas, how it will appear. To insert the stamp, we have to just click on the canvas where at which place we have to insert it. Like here I had clicked, so it gets inserted on that place. We can also get a mirror stamp. By this mirror option, we have to click it, and when we paste this stamp, it gets mirrored. We can also bigger and smaller the size of stamps by this option. Now I'm doing it bigger and now I'm doing it smaller. But this one is the original size. So for pasting or inserting stamps in our canvas, we have to click which stamp we want to paste, and then we have to click on the place on canvas where we have to insert it, and it gets pasted. Then let's come to the third tool, that is lines tool. Paint tool and lines tool option bar is same, but they are not same, because from paint tool we can only and only draw, means we can draw anything as we want, curve lines and much more. But from lines tool we can only and only draw straight lines. Like if we try to make curve lines from the lines tool, it's not possible, because if I tried, then also it remains the straight line. Here our narrator will tell us the degree. Like here your line's angle is 174 degree now. Here it is 360 degree, here it is 1 degree, here it is 47 degree, like this. And when I want to paste these lines at this point, I will just remove my finger from the click button. And here it is. In lines tool also we can draw the lines of different color by choosing the color from from our color pane. So that's it for today's video. In next video, we'll see about shapes tool, ABC text tool and ABC label tool. If you have any problem in TuxPaint, you can comment below and I'll surely solve it. And don't forget to try these options in the option bar, because they are very cool. And if you don't understand anything when you select a tool, you can take the help of our narrator, which is in a stamp position right now. This stamp, yes, and now it's changed like this. It's same. Thank you for watching my video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.